Hello everyone, this is your teacher Mrs. Miller. I'm just doing a short video right now to kind of show you the modules if you haven't discovered those in the class before, and kind of what we're going to be doing for this semester. So if you click on the module button in the Canvas website, that will bring you to this page, and the modules are where all the assignments and the PowerPoints are. So we will start in Module 5, which is on memory and thinking and intelligence. And if you go here to this link and click on that, that will be your PowerPoints. You will be responsible for reading the chapters and the PowerPoints. And then if you scroll further down, there will be an assignment and a quiz generally in most of the modules. And so each of the modules have the due dates, and so you will be responsible for completing the material on those due dates. The other thing that we will be doing is I will be recording short video lectures that I will upload probably to the announcements, and you can watch those each week. And then I will also be offering Zoom sessions, and I think I'm going to offer those on Wednesdays at 2:30 when we would normally have met in class. Those will be optional. And those will be a time for us to interact together as a class so we can see each other, because I'm kind of missing everyone. And also a time for you to ask questions, and just if you don't understand anything or you're just struggling with something, that will be our opportunity to get those. Now, if you can't come to that Zoom session, they're not required. I will record those and I can upload those in the class too. So if there are questions that are answered, and that everyone can have access to all of that. So if you do not have access to the internet or a computer, please let me know through email, and we can work on solving that problem. I don't want anyone to have to drop the class because you don't have access to that technology. I hope you guys all are safe. I'm thinking of you all. We all will get through this together. Hang in there, and see you sometime in the future, hopefully next semester.